This is a very brief demonstration of how you can use Atmire's Content and Usage Analysis module to count how many items were deposited in particular collections or communities. So first of all, I'm going to select the collections for which I want to include data in the graph that I'm about to generate. So this community and 5 collections in this community. Second of all, the data that I'm interested in is not DC date issued, because that's the publication date and could be anything, but I really want the date when it's archived into the repository. So you can use DC date accessioned or DC date available for this purpose. If I would execute it right now, I would get the entire count all counted together, but I really want to see it collection by collection. But first of all, let's do last 3 months. So I also want secondary grouping again on the same community and its collections in there. Next step is that we press the Generate Data button to get this information, and the first representation that we get is we get this information in a graph. But if we're more interested in a data table, we can press this Data tab, see the numbers in a table, and what you can also do is you can export this as an Excel file, or you can subscribe yourself or any other person to an email report that gets delivered on a regular basis to your email box. Hope this was helpful. You can go to atmire.com to learn more about this module.